All right, I think I'm done shopping, but
Oh, come on. There's some more stuff left.
this little thing is already catching my eye. What is that? That's neat. I don't know what that is. 15 bucks though. Pastry forms. Morning.
Morning.
Cool cars.
That really is a what? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a giant. Is it cast iron?
Oh yeah, it's cast iron.
That's nice. Is it branded? Is it Lodge or what's it say on the bottom?
Lodge.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen those. Those are nice. Ruff, 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 ruff.
The other ones, but he's hungry. He's hungry. I saw that. There's two of them.
You know, what just went through my head was the glass top range. And
There's
I'm a klutz.
More cast iron.
I saw that one. Oops.
A lot of glass. There, yeah.
you get to carry it. Thank
Want to see this?
carry the little thing.
Something.
Coffee. It's a brand new box of coffee for $8 for 80 cups. It's a
Ah.
decaf.
Wow. If it was not decaf, I'd buy it for my
That's
wife.
why I made a mistake in
Yeah,
Oh, I
she-
need eye test.
Exactly, yeah. Sun, sand, surf. $2 for that thing?
Yep.
That's pretty cool. And then, would you do any less on that 3-tiered little, like, cupcake holder thing?
Well, let's see, what do I have on
You
there?
have 10 on it.
I'll do 8.
So we'd do 10 for both?
10 for both.
Okay, that's kind of what I was thinking
All right,
anyways.
sounds like a plan.
Perfect.
Are you filming me?
Mom had
Careful there, Head.
Yeah, that's that outside thing. Okay.
Oh.
Thank you.
That's what it was? Yeah, it
Look at
does.
this.
It's never been open.
25 cents.
Everything in those boxes have never been open. How much? Oh, that's
Cairo. Cryo? Not Cairo.
that little thing is actually 25 pounds.
What is? Oh, yeah. You're just so strong.
Get this go too.
I should just get 4 of these so I'm at $1, right? You getting a little skillet?
Yeah, what you want?
No, it's
I mean,
fine.
if you want it, just take
Nice.
it. That was, David, if you want that stuff.
There's a little earth science kit.
I mean, I'm not taking anything from
Pokemon Mega Concerns. I'm looking, yeah. What? That's a little punching bag. Scratchy scratch notes. Kids Against Maturity. They'd like that. I know, I'm looking at them.
I would get them all if you don't know.
Okay. Take a little pile here.
Good neighbors.
I'm making a little pile.
Okay. Coming. You can make a big pile.
All right, all right, all right.
David, you want this stuff? This one and the album I would get, and this one.
Yeah, are all the pieces in these National Geographic kits?
Yeah,
They haven't been opened.
they've never been opened.
Oh, okay.
The only one that's been opened is the Pokemon one, but
Okay.
all those pieces are there too.
Ma, grab those 2 science kits.
How much is
You get those.
5.
Oh, these
Look at the
purses. The
bike
girls would
helmet.
like these purses.
Yeah, look at the bike helmet there.
Which one? The helmet?
The bike helmet.
How much are these little purses?
25 cents each.
Yeah, I'll get them for the girls.
The bike
Oh.
helmet for the kids. Look, for a little cow.
She has one like that, but her head
Yeah,
won't fit in
just thought
that.
that.
Anna's might. I don't think it's too small. It's too small.
For the tax.
Yeah.
You got room for this stuff if I buy it? All of it.
Yeah, we could fit it. What's that?
All that for $5.
Oh wow. Not the dolly thingy. What is this thing in the plastic bag?
That goes on a Tahoe on the back, over the back window.
You know what that is?
I know what a Tahoe is.
Tahoe. Oh, it's Tahoe. I think it said Tahoe. I got you.
Hey,
How much you got?
not,
10 bucks. 10 bucks. So $5. I like to tell people math. And Tina wanted these. Did you actually get these at Michael Kors?
All these interesting.
Are these really Michael Kors?
They are, yes.
Yes.
You got them at the mall or whatever?
Yeah, we got them at the outlet.
Tina likes these,
There's
my
a
wife.
Tory Burch over there too.
Really?
Okay, what's
Tory
that?
Burch.
Yeah, no, those are expensive. I don't know.
25.
I like the shovel and I like these. So.
I don't know what their resale value is. I don't know a lot about. Yeah.
11, 12.
What's that?
Little bathing suits.
Oh, yeah.
The kids for your swimming pool.
Okay.
Tori, I got something for you. You'll love it.
Should be unlocked. This is a cool vase. Look at that. That's neat. I don't know if that's worth any money. Probably is. Comment below. Tell me I should have bought it.
Would be good. Okay, can we bring the car up, David?
The car?
So cute now, you know.
How much do you want with this?
What is this?
I carry my dog and I think my dog was nuts. Where is it? What is it?
So, Ma, you think these bathing suits would fit the girls?
Let me see. Yeah, thank you. That would fit Anna. What size is it?
11, 12?
Yeah, that would fit Anna.
What size is this one?
I would just leave them at the house, Dave, and put them on beats.
True. Well, how much are the bathing suits?
Some is duplication.
Do you know the size on this one?
I think it's probably a 10, 12.
Are they all like that size?
They should all be like 10, 12, possibly a 14.
Okay, I have two girls that are in that range, so I'll just get the whole batch for $1. Or what'd you say, 25 or 50 cents? Yeah, so $2. Whatever, $1 or $2.
There's a couple Halloween costumes up here in that size also.
Those are kind of handy. I'm tempted by them.
So all of it for $1, which is fine.
Your prices are good, you know?
The price is right.
So
Box
it's like, how
springs.
can you say no, even if you don't need it? This is the
What is
problem.
this backpack?
It's a dog backpack. I think it's adorable.
You put a dog in it?
No, that's for like if you. I see people on
You put a dog in that?
a cat.
Cat in it. And he didn't.
Hazel would go insane.
I would try it. I think it's a good deal.
I'm gonna get it just to watch the cat's reaction.
That's the whole reason I got it. I was like, this is
My
gonna be
daughters are
good.
gonna freak out.
So cool.
Ma, they got, is that a scale?
It is, yeah.
Scale?
They're dangerous.
Alright, so which of these shoes are the fancy ones? Which of these shoes are the fancy
nice
ones?
filing cabinet.
The red ones probably, and then these express ones are nice.
Oh yeah.
I got some Vera.
What size are they?
boots.
Are you moving?
Somewhere between 6 and 7.
Okay. How much are the Vera boots? Those are cool.
$5.
I'll get those. Those are
How
cool.
much is the filing cabinet?
Oh, it's empty.
Oh,
How much is the empty box? How much are those little cubbies there?
Hey,
Little
Mama,
drawers.
How much are the cubbies? What? How much are the drawers? 5?
What, five a piece?
5 a piece now?
how much is this?
Yeah, each.
What is this?
$1.
Yeah.
Could you turn on the car?
Here. Take the. Look at her shirt. Okay, so 25,
For out.
35. Would you do 35 for the pair of these instead of 40?
Yeah.
Yeah, $5 off.
Now, does this work right here?
It does, yeah.
No. All right. I think I'm done shopping, but
Oh, come on. There's some more stuff left.
Yeah.
Dave, you don't want that?
I don't want that. No, they get stuck in trees. Okay, so 10 plus we said 35, so 45 for the bags and that.
Yeah, 45.
And is that her? Is it all together?
If we can do it separately.
Yeah,
that'd
so
be great.
45. Is that everything of hers?
Yep, this is everything of hers.
Okay, so $45.
Thank you.
Ooh, where'd my fingers go? I don't feel them anymore. There's 40.
Thank you.
Trying to see if I have anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have my keys. My parents have them.
No, but I mean when you go, you just pack up stuff.
I've got a ton too, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then this stuff.
Hang on.
The 2 Michael Kors and the, well, she's not.
Yeah.
All right, so I got 4 of these because they were a quarter piece, so $1. I didn't know this, $1 I figured.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We said $2 for this, 16, 17, 18.
Yep, that
Okay.
works.
Then mine will be. Yeah, but you can wait.
You have 2 back?
He's the type that will walk out. Just joking.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
And this?
Yeah, I got the 2
Really
first.
He's
Yeah.
gonna look good in them.
Yeah. Yes.
My wife
No,
has a
this
couple
is-
Michael Kors already, so
This was one of my favorites.
I've paid full price for them before,
Yes.
so I know how
Yeah.
good the deal is.
I
need a
actually
bag?
should have
Sure.
sold more if I was smart, but
Yeah.
it's hard to sell them.
Yeah, you gotta hold
Take
them.
$3 for the guitar, the pink one, or
For the guitar?
What do you have on it?
5.
Oh,
the bags. My daughter, I don't know if she needs it. No, she doesn't need it. Honey.
yeah.
Need another one?
I think, yeah, I can just carry this out in the stack.
We need more people like y'all. Do y'all have friends that you can come over here so that we can get out of the cold?
I know, it's too cold to be
Doing our best.
Oh, you have little dresses or whatever.
Yeah, I'll come back and help you, yay. Yeah, we don't have room in the car, so you're gonna have to ride on the roof.
Well, you know what, David, I can do? Watch. Let's put all this stuff in
Oh,
there.
in there? That's a great
Yeah.
idea.
Put that, put everything
Yeah.
we can.
Hey, we made this heavy.
Oh, wait, that's not latch. Put that down.
Hold on. I'll be there in a second. I'm looking over here really quick. How much is this
Megan.
Sorry.
little pink hair dye? How much?
$1.
You better find this biker.
She's too big for that one.
Oh, okay.
All right, thank you guys. Wow. Hey guys, thank you for coming with me to those yard sales. Talk about great pricing. That first one I went to, I bought a couple things for our house. We're still kind of moving in, so, you know, decor stuff. Tina's asking me to keep an eye out. So I got that little milk crate thing and put it on the front porch, and I got that 3-tiered cupcake thing so she could put decorations on it. She ended up liking them both. I'm getting good at guessing what she would like. And I did miss a ton of glassware. I don't know why I missed it all, but like there was a glass insulator for $1. There were these really nice turkey and chicken candy dishes, and those sell for like 15 to 25 bucks a piece, depending on which one you get. And I literally didn't see them. When I watched the footage, I was like, wow, I didn't even see those, because I was so focused on those cheap flea market knives that I missed all the valuable glass stuff. Even those like leaf pattern plates looked really nice and probably worth money. But hey, you can't win them all. The next sale though was really good. They had crazy low prices. We were one of the first people that showed up, and I got a bunch of makeup. Most of the makeup, I got 4 things of makeup, and I think each one I looked up was worth 10 bucks. So it was like $40 worth of makeup. I got 2 Michael Kors purses. I sort of kind of thought I'd be able to sell, but my wife kept them because she does like Michael Kors a lot. So I don't know even what they would have been worth. I know when we've bought Michael Kors purses at Michael Kors, it's like $100 a piece. Resale, I don't know, maybe 40 to 60 a piece. But comment below. Let me know how much you think I could have gotten them if we had sold them and not just kept them. I got the little drawers for my own workshop, like downstairs in the garage. And I got some stuff like rock kits. I could sell those probably for 10 bucks a piece, but my kids will want them. Swimsuits, you know, we're in Florida, the girls needed swimsuits, so again, $1. The prices were great. So I got some really good buys for things I needed and also made some money. And I'll also make some money on the makeup and stuff like that. So in the end, I'll do well there. And I had a good time. Anyways, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Check out my NC Flipper channel. Check me out on TikTok. I've got some stuff over there too, and Instagram and all that stuff. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.